Hello and welcome back to the workbench. I have got something cool to show you today. This cable has made my life better and I hope it would make your life better too. That's why I'm going to share it today on this video. This is a USB-C cable, but it's not just your normal everyday USB-C cable. It's braided so that it's nice and flexible, but it includes a special feature that I think you will like. Let me get it all plugged in here. When you plug it in to your USB device, be it a charger or a iPhone or a tablet or anything USB-C up to 100 watts, it will show you how many watts this device is consuming. So right now this is charging this battery at 4 watts or almost an amp because it's using 5 volts. So this is pretty nifty. When this goes down to 0, I know it's done. So I use the same cable on my laptop, my tablet, my phone, anything that's USB-C, and I can take a quick glance at the meter here and see when it is done charging. I know, it's really cool. There's a link to this cable down there in the description should you be interested in one of these fine cables.